Hey everybody, I'm not sure if you've ever faced this situation, but recently had quite a few flights, domestic flights here in the U.S. And what do you have in the handy seat pocket in front of you but the airlines' publication? And had a little bit of time to pass, and flipping through the articles, and then I come across the puzzles. So I want to go ahead and maybe do the crossword, and I realize I don't have a pen. What the hell do I do? You might also be the kind of person who doesn't want to mess it up for the next person and leave it intact, instead of filling it out in the magazine. So what I did have was I had my phone. So I want to show you this technique I used to enable me to do the crossword puzzle without having a pen or needing a pen. Now I've got the Samsung Note pen here that has a built-in stylus, and this enabled me to go ahead and do the crossword puzzle on the phone. What I had to do first was I had to go ahead and take a picture, a clear picture of the crossword. Center it in the screen, make sure it's clear, snap a photo. Then just go to your images, your gallery, pull up that picture. Now with the stylus, the capability I have with this phone, and it may vary on other phones, but I have the option to go to something called screen write. Okay? That enables me to use the stylus, select a font color, and go ahead and write right on the screen. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the color here from red to blue or dark blue. Close it. So now I can go ahead and enlarge the puzzle that I have on my screen. I can read the clue in the magazine. I can come back and fill in the clue right on my screen. As easy as that. You can move the crossword puzzle around, go ahead and enlarge, and fill in the other clues. As easy as that. This might save you some trouble. You can go ahead and save it. And then this enabled me to finish the puzzle entirely. And I could have left the magazine behind. I happen to have 4 flights this month here, so each and every time I had the same magazine. So I just grabbed it and kept it one of those times. So coming over to the gallery, here you go. And here is the puzzle, with all the clues that I was able to complete on my phone. I hope this little tip or trick helps you. Different phones, your mileage may vary. This particular instance, I was able to use the Samsung Note Edge, which is an older version, like a version 4. But I can take a picture of the puzzle and play it out. Works equally as well for Sudoku. Snap a picture of the puzzle, center it, make sure it's clear on your phone, snap a photo, and you can close up the magazine, go to your gallery, pull out your stylus. Screen write lets you write over the screen, and you can go ahead and play the puzzle. And of course, you probably want to check, make sure you're doing it right, and give it a little bit of thought. As easy as that. If you need to erase it, got the options to erase. Super simple, super easy, and it worked out just great. Again, hope this tip helps you out, and hope you have a great one. Take care. Thanks for watching.